Hello everyone. Let me ask you a quick question today. Do you have a smartphone? Do you have internet access? And do you know how to use ChatGPT or Claude? If your answer is yes, then here is the big question. Why haven't you earned money from it yet? To be honest, so many people right now are simplifying their work and making an extra income right from home using AI. In this video, I am going to teach you 5 concrete freelance jobs you can start today in Ethiopia with zero investment using just your phone. You can start one of them this very day. Stay with me until the end, and let's jump right in. Welcome back to Miratech AI. I designed this video specifically for 3 types of people: those looking for a job, students who want a side income, and young people who want to change their lives using technology. If you fall into any of these categories, watch this video to the end. The reason is simple. AI saves your time, simplifies your work, and satisfies your clients. All of this leads directly to revenue. But just knowing AI isn't enough. You have to know how to turn it into money. Let's focus on exactly how to do that today. First, let's understand what freelancing actually means. Freelancing means instead of being hired full-time by a single company, you offer services to various clients on your own terms. You control your schedule and work from home. You don't even need a laptop. You can start with just a smartphone. And here is the best part. Your clients don't have to be just in your local town. They can be across the country or even overseas. In the past, this required years of specialized training. But today, AI has lowered the barrier to entry for anyone who can read, write, and prompt effectively. Job number 1 is social media content writing. Every business today wants to promote themselves on Facebook, Telegram, and TikTok. But most owners don't know what to write, or they simply don't have the time. This is your golden opportunity. By using an AI tool like Claude, you can write weeks of social media posts in 5 minutes. For example, you can type a prompt like, write 5 Facebook posts in Afan Oromo for a clothing boutique in Adama. It will give you high-quality options in seconds. If you manage a 30-post monthly calendar for a client, you can easily charge them between 500 to 1,500 Ethiopian birrs. Job number 2 is translation services. If you know Afan Oromo, Amharic, and a little bit of English, a massive market is waiting for you. NGOs, schools, and private businesses constantly need documents translated. Job number 3 is using AI and cover letter writing. Large chunks of text in seconds. There are thousands of graduates looking for jobs right now, but a huge majority of them do not know how to write a compelling, professional CV or a project proposal. By using structured AI prompts, you can input their basic info and generate a world-class resume and cover letter in less than 10 minutes. You can easily charge 100 to 300 Ethiopian birrs per CV. If you help just 3 people a day, that is a clean 600 Ethiopian birrs in your pocket daily. Job number 4 is academic research help for students. University and college students are always overwhelmed with assignments, essays, and graduation research, and they often lack the time to compile sources properly. You can use AI to assist them in gathering relevant data, proofreading their language for errors, and organizing their references neatly. This is a completely legitimate and highly demanded service. For assisting a student with a major research structure, you can charge between 300 to 1,000 Ethiopian birrs. You can start by creating a dedicated Telegram group to find your first student clients. Number 5 is social media management. Out of all 5, this is the most lucrative because it is a long-term service. Local businesses have active social media pages, but they are too busy running operations to upload posts daily or respond to customer comments. You can take over their entire page management. Use Claude to map out their weekly content calendars, write engaging captions, and format template responses for incoming messages. Landing just one dedicated client can secure you a predictable monthly income of 1,500 to 5,000 Ethiopian birrs. Now, the million-dollar question, asterisk. This sounds great, but how do I actually find these clients? I will give you 4 direct methods. First, utilize Telegram groups where local businesses congregate. Second, join Facebook groups dedicated to local commerce or job postings, and explicitly post what you do and your affordable rates. Third, set up an account on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork to pitch to international clients. And fourth, look around your friends and family. Offer to handle a social media page or write a CV for someone you know for free first. Once they see the amazing quality, they will happily refer paying clients to you. Before you launch, let's talk about 3 critical mistakes that beginners make so you can avoid them. First, do not overprice your work right out of the gate. Start with a lower, highly attractive rate to win clients and build your portfolio, then raise your prices later. Second, don't take on too many clients at once. Focus on doing a stellar job for your first 1 or 2 clients so they trust you implicitly. And third, never assume AI is flawless. AI is your assistant, not your replacement. Always double-check facts, correct the formatting, and ensure everything looks professional before hitting send.
Now, the choice is entirely up to you. You have the gear, your smartphone and an internet connection. You have the software. ChatGPT and Claude are completely free to use. And you have the blueprint, the 5 freelance business models we went over. The only thing left is to take action. Pick just one service today, find one person to pitch it to, and take that first step. Drop a comment below and tell me which of these 5 jobs you are going to try first. If this video gave you value, hit the like button, subscribe to Myra Tech AI, and click that bell icon. Next week, I am sharing the top 5 advanced AI tools for students and freelancers. Thank you for watching, stay safe, and I will see you in the next video.
Don't wait for the future. Start your AI freelance journey today. Subscribe to Myra Tech AI.